Right, very good evening. It's Valentine's Day.
and we're at a scare event.
Yeah, we've come to Scream Factory, which is based at Kirkleatham Hall in Redcar. It's quite close to us, isn't it?
Yeah, it's only, what,
20 minutes
from your house?
Yeah. So yeah, they've kindly invited us down to experience their Valentine's attraction.
And it's really quiet.
It is quiet at the moment. I'm sure it'll pick up soon because it's only 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So this one, they do it for Halloween. We've been to the Halloween one the past 4 years.
I've been 5 years, we've been 4 together.
Yeah, and it is very good. Every year every year they mix it up. There's some really good set pieces in there, isn't there?
I'm a bit nervous for tonight because it's so quiet. We're gonna get scared more, aren't we?
Well,
hopefully.
I have read that this one at Valentine's is meant to be a bit more funny than it is scary. But like I say, I don't really get nervous at scare events anyways. But
you sometimes jump.
Yeah, but I'm sure it'll be good. The Halloween one they do normally lasts about 40 to 45 minutes. This one I've read, it's a bit shorter, about 25-30 minutes, so it's not as long. But hopefully the standard of the theming and the actors are still as good.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah.
It'll be exciting.
So yeah, we're gonna
start off the year.
Gonna go in. Actually need the toilet before we go in. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to film in the main scare event. I did ask, didn't I?
Yeah, we'll give our review and hopefully get some footage of the clown.
Yeah, so I can get some footage in the queue line before.
And hear the music already.
In the queue line before and after, they've got a photo booth when you can wait and take photos for yourself and stuff like that. It's really good. So we got some footage there, but yeah, not allowed to get any footage inside. But hopefully we can get it at the press night in October when they do the Halloween event.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna quickly nip to the toilet and then we'll get in
and get scared.
Yeah.
Excited. I don't know where the clown is.
I know. Just come in, got through fine. So what they do, they put you into little cattle pens. So it's good, this one, because they batch your groups up.
Yeah, I just can't believe how quiet it is because normally the queue's all the way around there.
Yeah, at Halloween.
There's no like crowd or anything.
I know. Well, I saw him earlier. Yeah, I mean, at Halloween this is completely full, and the car park's full. But I've never seen it this quiet. Like, we're the only one in our group at the minute.
It's just full of
yeah, but it is early, isn't it?
I think Saturday night will be a lot busier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, and tomorrow night as well, won't it?
Yeah. I would love to get some footage inside, but
I just want to say as well, everyone will probably be thinking, why is Tom took me here? But we are going to the Lake District next weekend for Valentine.
I am treating you, aren't I?
You are treating me.
But tonight it's a scary night because you're getting this and then we're going to see
Happy Death Day too.
Yeah. I like the first one. So yeah, we're going to wait for our group to be called. Might be a while because there's no one else in our group yet. And then we'll get into the maze. Excited?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Nervous?
I don't know, because I'm intrigued to see what else we like.
Yeah.
I am a bit cold.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll give our review when we get out, so we'll see you at the end.
Come on, tell me your name. I ain't gonna tell anyone else. Stacy. I remember Stacy. All the right policemen.
Shut up. And who are you behind this thing?
I'm Tom.
Tom. We got a Tom right there. Oh yeah.
Just while we're waiting in the queue still, yeah, a woman's come round, gave everybody a glow stick.
But I think that's for when you're walking around.
Yeah.
You get this in the October one.
No.
You just put it, oh, it's pink.
Your favourite colour. There's a group going, so we're next.
We're next.
Yeah. I also forgot to mention, unlike most scare events where it's the main hub and then different mazes that go off. This one's like a full continuous walkthrough, and normally I'm not a fan of that, but this one we really do enjoy because it just works really well. It all flows together, doesn't it? Yeah. So it's different to your normal scare maze.
Yeah, so then I need to try this. I'm not very good.
Are you putting it around you?
I'm going to put it around me, so then I'll stand out. Glow in the dark.
And we also noticed the booth where you get your photo tucks just over there.
Shorter route, that's nice.
So we'll zoom in, there's the booth. In the Halloween one, it's as you come out, I'm not sure whereabouts you are, but it's not in the same bit as the queue line, is it? So at the end, we're going to go and get our photo. They've got a range of props for you to try on.
There's my glow stick.
And there's Stacey's glow stick.
There's easy to get started.
Yeah. Right, shouldn't be too long before we get in, so yeah, let's get scared.
See you inside. See outside.
Well, you won't. You'll see him outside. Right. Heading in.
Go in now, so obviously we can't film inside.
Can't film beyond this point.
A review when we get out.
And you've lit your glow stick up now, haven't you?
Yeah. We're going in now, so we better turn it off.
Yeah. Right. See you when we're out. As you saw earlier, here's a photo booth where you go and get your obviously your photo took. Yeah. It's free as well, included in your ticket. You get it for the Halloween one as well, and obviously loads of different props. Yeah. And get your photo, and they're printed out at the end and give you a little souvenir. Yeah. So yes, it still seems pretty quiet.
Very quiet.
Yeah, but it's Thursday night.
I think at the weekend it will like get more busy.
Yeah, I mean this runs for 3 nights. It's on obviously tonight and then Friday and Saturday the 15th and 16th. So if you're local, you come and check it out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, support it.
I would say like 100% for the Halloween one.
Yeah,
like,
but obviously that's because it's longer, but
it's longer and there's more actors.
Yeah.
I felt like on some bits there was not as many, but
yeah,
I still enjoyed it.
But I mean, they don't lie. They do say it's a condensed version of the Halloween, and it's a bit more light-hearted. Like there was quite a few adult jokes in there, wasn't there?
If you're under the age of 18, I don't think you'll be able to go.
Well, it's not that bad.
No, there's a few. There was a few.
there was a few.
There was a guy that liked you and wanted your bum.
Yeah. Right, we're going to pick our props now. I'll have the bat.
Like what? Negan.
Yeah, Negan. And then thanks.
Random thing.
So you'll look at the screen. There we are.
Right, it's just going to take once. You're looking up here.
Yep.
Oh no, that went wrong.
He told you he takes once. So, yeah. Could we have it again, possibly? Yeah. Right, I'll retake, take 2.
Ready again?
Yeah. There, that's enough. Right, there we go.
I
And there's
didn't
our
realise
photo.
it was
It's simpler. I'll show you when we get out. Thanks. Oh, sorry. There's me Negan backpack. We'll come out there. Scream Factory. And there's our photo.
I don't like this one, so you're not sure.
Oh, that's it. The one that you messed up on.
First one, yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice little setup. It's just a little bit quiet, so if you are local, come and support it, come and check it out, because it was good fun.
Yeah, that one's good.
Yeah. Right.
If you can see it, you have to press on the screen for it to focus.
There we go. Scream Factory.
Yeah.
A little souvenir for us. Right, so we'll head out to the car now and give our review of the night.
just walking back to the car now. So what did you think of tonight? You enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good. I'm going to say, obviously, I don't want to give away too many spoilers.
Yeah.
So all I will say is, if you're close enough to come and do it, you've got, obviously, this is Thursday night now, but this vlog will be up tomorrow. So you've got Friday night and Saturday night to come down and support it, because it did look a little bit quiet. We only went through with 2 other girls. It's still
and I don't
really
want
good.
Friday or Saturday to be like that.
I mean, it might be a little bit busier being the weekend, because Valentine's night.
A lot of couples are actually going out for like meals and things.
But yeah, so I'll give a spoiler warning now if you don't want to know anything inside. But yeah, so I won't say too much, but what do you think some of the key scenes that you enjoyed?
Well, I liked the actors. I think the actors were really funny.
Yeah.
And like some of the jokes they came out with.
Yeah.
They get more involved in the
Valentine's they talk to you more in this one, and like I said earlier, the jokes are adult orientated. A couple were quite rude.
I feel when it's like the October one, you're just getting like more scares.
Yeah.
While here it's more of a laugh, and it's like like a fun night out.
Yeah.
If you don't want to get scared, definitely come along to this one.
Yeah, if you don't like really extreme ones, I mean, this could be a good first one for you to come and try out.
I would agree, yeah, definitely.
But yeah, I liked some of the horror films we've seen in there. There was a It scene.
Leatherface.
I mean, the Halloween It scene last October was brilliant, and this was a bit more of a smaller version of that. Yeah, and there's the bit with the cannibals where they all wear like Leatherface masks, come out. Basically, you come through a little curtain.
That's so funny. The two girls.
There was 4 of them stood there, and they all have cannibal masks on.
There was 2 girls, and they were like playing Ring of Roses, and they wouldn't let them go with that.
Yeah, and they did actually touch you there, didn't they? In that bit.
They are very touchy in that bit, aren't they?
But it was good fun. It's not. I wouldn't call it scary.
Tonight hasn't been a really scary night, just more of a fun night. But I have enjoyed it, and we'd like to say thanks to Screen Factory for inviting us down. And yeah, we will see you. Oh, we're going obviously Blackpool this Saturday. Excited to finally get back riding roller coasters and seeing people.
So obviously we've got Blackpool vlog coming up this weekend. Well, you know, we hadn't done anything in a couple of weeks, so we thought we'd come here tonight. This vlog isn't going to be very long at all, so I apologise for that, but though, as we couldn't film inside, unfortunately, that's all we could pretty much film. But we can give a good review. We recommend it.
Definitely
it was
recommend
really
to come
good.
down.
Yeah, come down. So yeah, that's it really. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and obviously leave a like and a comment on the video.
We've got so much coming up, and now we're back to weekly vlogs.
Yeah, well, more or less weekly vlogs for the year. We're going to try. So yeah, we'll see you at Blackpool.
Yeah, see you at Blackpool. Bye.
Bye.